our arts and crafts segment today. We're happy to be joined by Coco's Chalky Paint.
Yeah, the always amazing IKEA, aka Coco, and professional furniture painter Kelly are joining us to talk about DIYing your own custom silkscreen stencils for sign making, glass, metal, fabric, and a whole lot more. Ladies, thanks so much for coming back. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me back. Okay,
oh my gosh,
of course we're going to go through this really quickly.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to show everyone who wants to make their own DIY stencils how to do it in like seconds. Okay, cool. This machine is an amazing machine. So what we did is we went to our printer. And everyone has a printer at home, and so we printed on what we wanted to say, and then we put it right on here, which is on this blackboard, and then we turn on this light, and this light is going to bring this image onto this stencil.
Oh, interesting.
And then once we take it out of there, okay, so you set your timer for 35 seconds.
Right.
35 seconds, then this is done. It's going to look plain like this, and then we're going to bring it over here, because it's going to be plain. And then with water, we're going to spray it, because the pressure of the water is going to ultimately, underneath it, reveal your stencil. And this is silk screen. Like nothing is going to get through to this. This is a silk screen stencil. You can put whatever you want on here with just this magic machine, with spraying it. And now we have to use our magic powder. So we know that the magic powder has created chalk paint in the past, because we've done furniture. So now we need to create a liquid chalk, and we're going to do that right here with the magic powder.
It really is
put it in here. It really
this is super cool
magic. So we're going to put it in here.
Okay, stir it
and
up.
I'm going to stir it up. Yes, and what this is creating for us is silky paint. This silky paint is going to work with these stencils, these silkscreen stencils, like magic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a stencil over here. I'm going to send this over to Kelly, and she's going to show you what to do, and you're going to come back here, and I'm going to show you what I did with the silky paint and the stencil.
All right.
This is awesome.
Well,
I'm coming over.
It's all right. What you see right here is some things we just picked up at local DIY stores or, you know, your Dollar Marts, things like that. And this, we picked up some stencils at some hobby stores, which you can do anywhere. But maybe they don't have the things you want. Maybe you don't want to do a farmhouse theme.
Right.
This is where the stencil machine comes into play, because then you can customize for your child's room, for parties. Let's say we're done having a little Joanne party. And as you can see, we just wipe it off like this.
Oh, wow.
It just comes right off. And there you go. And these were just little plastic. Then we want to have a Coco party.
Yeah.
So we put a stencil for Coco on it, and we put the silky paint on it, and of course, you know, I've already done a voila, ready for you.
Ready.
Magic
With
TV.
our Coco party, we want a sign. So I've already put the silky screen, silky paint on. Go ahead, Alexa.
I'm going to do it?
You're going to
That's a lot of pressure.
Just peel it off.
Wait, actually, here, should we hold it like this?
It's already been silky
ready?
screened.
Make my finger. I have no fingernails, guys.
It's
okay,
all
ready?
right.
1, 2, 3. Voila!
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh! How crazy!
And like I said, if you don't want a farmhouse theme, you can take a spray paint or spray water water on it, and then it comes right off, and you can do your next thing.
What's really cool, I mean, these are perfect gift ideas.
That's kind of
Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. I mean,
for sure.
you can customize it all.
So are these reusable, these
Yeah,
stencils?
we'll just
they are.
have a water bath. You just put it in a water bath. It kind of soaks, and then you just wipe it off, because it's every bit as water soluble as you saw me take it off the cup here.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to show you this really quick, because I totally forgot this part. I did my dress today. Like, I silk screened my dress with a silky paint. So look.
Oh my gosh, wow,
And
really?
I've got my logo, yes. So like I already heat setted it, but that's how easy it is on fabric.
Wow.
So like.
So you don't have to change the paint or anything. It just goes from your dress to this stuff, and you can do it anyway.
That's amazing.
Awesome. So like, yes, you do have
really
to change
cool.
the consistency of the powder,
Okay.
because you have to make it more silky. That's why
Got
we call
it.
it silk paint, to work with silk screens. Now the chalk paint is totally different, because it's not going to wash off of furniture.
Right.
But with this magic machine, we are revolutionizing the way way that people are
Yes,
going to
you
be DIYing.
So
Like,
where do
this
we
is-
get all this from? Where can we get some of this, like your stuff from?
Yeah, oh my gosh, okay, so you can follow us on Instagram, that's one thing, but we are in 2 locations right now. We are down the street, downtown Cleveland, and then we're in Dunmovin, which is in Creston, right, Kelly?
It's Dunmovin House Treasures on Worcester Pike Road. And
Yeah.
you can go to
Nice.
Paulette and find all of this to make your own. What I'm going to add is if you ever want to make something permanent, acrylic sealer, spray it on there,
Okay.
you have it forever.
See, that's what I was going to ask, because I was like,
Beautiful.
once I do something this good, it's going to stay on.
You got that right. We're not washing that off.
It's a miracle.
But it's goof-proof.
Yeah.
You can't goof.
No.
I promise.
You're right. Yeah.
That's for people like me. I love it.
This is
wow.
awesome.
Coco and Kelly, thank you, ladies, so much.
Oh
This
my
was
gosh, thank
really,
you.
really, really, really cool.
Every time you come in here, you show us something different
You
that
know
we
it,
can
right?
do.
Okay, next time we're going to do an entire room off
We've
of this
already
magic
got it in our
stencil.
heads.
Yes.
I love
Yes,
it. I
we're gonna do an entire
can't
room.
wait for that. I can't wait for that.
Really excited.
Wow.
We just gave you all the information on your screen, but if you missed it, go check out her website, or you can check out her Instagram. You're amazing. Ideas
Thank you, guys.
out the
Ladies,
window.
thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it as always.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
All right.